We all like to be happy. And if you're a developer, you're happy when your users are happy. And users are happy when their apps and websites work anytime, anywhere, on any device. But making that happen isn't easy. Every device has distinct capabilities, different features, and unique operating systems. So keeping users happy is a real challenge for developers.
A lot of developers basically have a choice between three things. They can focus on their own IP, they can focus on cross-platform, or they can focus on their user community. And what we're looking at is how can we build great cloud services that help developers focus on their core IP, the thing that really sets them apart from the competition.
Keeping everyone happy is hard work. So developers are always looking for new ways to innovate and be more efficient. Some device makers try to make developers happy by tightly integrating their devices, their operating system, and their cloud-based services. That makes things efficient. But it can also lock developers into a single platform. That's why Intel's Cloud Services Platform is critical for providing developers with access to open alternatives and cross-platform possibilities.
There are a lot of developers out there who have never written a CPU instruction in their lives. They're a different kind of developer. What we want to do is figure out the problems they're having right now, solve those problems for them, and then reconnect hardware value add to the services that they're using. In cloud services, we're delivering 4 major services right now. We have federated identity and user profile, context, location, and commerce. And put together, those give developers a set of cloud-based capabilities that they can use anywhere.
Identity is especially important for cloud-based services. For an app to make users really happy, it needs to know a little bit about them.
The idea of attaching value at the hardware level to things that a user wants is only interesting if you know who the user is too. We give developers a user-controlled, shared profile that they can access that allows them to treat users as being the same people across multiple platforms, multiple devices, and multiple developers.
Another way to make users happy is to let them control their own information.
You have users who want to have things that are customized and specialized for them and that make them happy, but at the same time don't want to feel like somebody's stalking them or following them around and taking notes on everything they do. So we're going to be really upfront with the user about what it is that each app is using out of their profile.
Of course, identity is more than user authentication and login. It also allows services like location, context, and commerce to be combined into new experiences.
I have a foodie app that has 7 years worth of my interaction with restaurants and restaurant reviews, knows a lot about my interest in food. I have a travel app that knows exactly where I'm going. Simple little equation. What would it take for my foodie app to tell me, based on where you're going, here's 3 restaurants you might want to try? That's actually incredibly hard to do now.
Through the Intel Cloud Services Platform, Intel is providing developers with the freedom, flexibility, tools, and APIs that they need.
The next step is clearly going to be, what analytics can you give me? How can you tell me more about what my users do and don't want to do? How can you help connect me to other things that my users might be interested in?
Intel Cloud Services are helping developers build the next generation of cross-platform apps. To learn more, visit software.intel.com/CSP. You'll be happy you did.